So it's almost March 2024, which means that INP is going to replace FID in Core Web Vitals. If you do build websites or manage a website, this is incredibly important news to pay attention to, especially if you're monitoring your Core Web Vitals via your page speed insights. So this was announced in May 2023, but it hasn't been in the news all that much. Now, if you're like me, you're always working on your Core Web Vitals from LCP to CLS and all the rest of it. So the purpose of this video is to let you know that INP is replacing FID next month. So if you're currently optimizing FID, that's fine, continue to do so. But if you're having major challenges that are going to be expensive or timely to actually fix, there may not be a big reason to fix it. INP is going to be replacing it in March. Now, a lot of you might be asking, firstly, what is FID? What is INP? Let's take a look. So let's start here with FID. So first input today measures the time from when a user first interacts with the page. That is when they click a link, tap on a button, or use a custom JavaScript powered control to the time when the browser is actually able to begin processing event handlers in response to that interaction. And next over to interaction to next paint, also known as INP. So what is INP? INP is a metric that assesses a page's overall responsiveness to user interactions by observing the latency of all click tap and keyboard interactions that occur throughout the lifespan of a user's visit to a page. The final INP value is the longest interaction observed, ignoring outliers. So guys, there's a lot more on this page and the FID page that you can learn about, but the most crucial thing to take from now is to start optimizing your site in time. Start now. Learn as much as you can about INP and actually optimize your sites to perform well with that core metric. And as you guys can already see over on Page Speed Insights, INP, while not actively turned on, is there on the page already. So we're almost at go time. So guys, that's it for this video. Please do subscribe to stay up to date with all things SEO and digital marketing.